Hello everyone, this is Math Coach Taylor again with a math lesson on addition and subtraction problem types. Again, my name is Deborah Taylor. I am from Region 8 the Great in Alabama. I am a math coach. So today I'm going to be going over the three different types of problem types for addition and subtraction. The first one is start unknown, the second change unknown, and the third one results unknown. Now, research says that our students need to be exposed to all three problem types. And the best way to do that is to do it within context. That means that our students need to build understanding through meaningful problem situations and discussion, not isolated procedures. We need context word problems. So I'm going to go over three word problems, and we're going to figure out which problem type the problem applies to. Now, here's our first word problem. This problem says, there are some birds in a tree. 6 more birds landed in the tree. Now there are 13 birds. How many birds were there at first? Now, with this problem, we can't teach key words by reading the question to try to figure out what to do. So we need to make sure that we are exposing our kids to different problem situations where they actually have to decide how to set their problem up. So good readers reread again. So I'm going to read this problem again so I can make sense of the problem. There are some birds in a tree. Do I know how many birds are in the tree right now? No. 6 more birds landed in the tree. So 6 come. Now there are 13 birds. How many birds were there at first? So the first thing I want our students to do is set up their problem. We're going to take each sentence separately to be able to set our problem up. So let's start with the first sentence. There are some birds in a tree. And I have the students box the word some. Do I know how many birds are in the tree? They would say no. So I'm going to start setting up my problem. I'm going to put a box. 6 more birds landed. 6 more. So that means I'm getting some more birds. Some more birds are coming. So that's plus 6. Now there are 13 birds. So finally, I have 13 birds. Now that I have my problem set up, I will have the students or the teacher can discuss with the class, well, what problem type is this? Is this start unknown, change unknown, or results unknown? Okay, start unknown. I don't know the beginning. Change, I don't know what happens here. Results unknown is my answer. So looking at my problem, this problem obviously is start unknown. It's a start unknown problem. I don't know how many birds were in the tree. Okay, so that's problem number 1. Problem number 1 is start unknown. Let's look at another type of problem. All right, so here's our second problem. Let's read it. A class has 11 boys and 9 girls. How many students are in the class? So this one seems straightforward. So let's start at the first sentence. A class has 11 boys and 9 girls. How many students are in the class? So I know 11 plus 9 equals blank. So looking at my problem types, I have the start, there's the change, I don't know my results. So this is like a combining problem. I'm combining things. So I have 11 plus 9, and my result is unknown. So I'm going to put result unknown. Okay. Now, there's one more problem type, and I'm going to go over that problem type as well. All right, here's our third and final problem type. It says Jalen had 14 toy cars. He gave some away. Now he has 9 toy cars. How many toy cars did he give away? So let's start at the beginning with our first sentence. Jalen had 14 toy cars. So 14, my start, I have my start. He gave some away. That's my change. I don't know that. So, he gave some away, so I'm subtracting. Now he has 9. How many toy cars did he give away? So with this problem, clearly is change unknown. I need to figure out how many cars he gave away. All right, so that's all for today. I just wanted to go over the 3 problem types that our students should be exposed to. Students should be exposed to these problem types in context, and the students should be able to set up the problem and identify what problem type it applies to. All right, you have a great day. Once again, my name is Deborah Taylor from Region 8. Like, comment, and share.